Hello guys, and it's Sunday. Sunday, we're vlogging today. We got a few things going on in the house. Like, I have a mess going on here. I am not feeling good, as you can tell, because allergies are killing me. We got baby puppies sleeping, and I have decided to go ice skating with my daughter. And the reason why is because she's not going to be on classes this season. They booked out and they left her out. So I have decided to go once a week to free skating so she doesn't lose her skills. Hi, beautiful. What was your outfit? So we're gonna go free skating. I still have to do laundry. There's a lot of things going on, so and I want to vlog it. I want to vlog when we get there, how she's doing with her skating. Yeah, she always falls asleep when we get there. But I mean, free skating is at 2. It's almost 1. So we do have to get going. I want to show you my outfit. I just picked something simple because I don't know, I haven't felt good. Yesterday I slept basically all day. So I'm on a lost weight challenge to myself. And I feel like I have lost a few pounds. I haven't been on the scale, and I'm not planning to, but this is the first time I wear this in forever, so it's kind of loose, but not wearing makeup. I'm just being natural today. I really don't want to wear makeup, so I'm just going, I'm rolling with it. And this is my princess. I don't know what she's doing in her hand. What are you doing? You're crazy.
Because they're always broken when they
They're broken? You just had them done.
Yeah, but they're like a little bit like ripping because I have to pull because they're wet.
We're wet? Okay.
And it's gutted.
Yeah.
Smell it. Smell bubblegum.
Yeah, it does smell good. Well, we're gonna get going. I'm going to pick up the kitchen as fast as I can, so we can get going. I don't want to leave the kitchen the way it is. Laundry, I will just continue laundry when we come back. I can do laundry later. And I do have to take the puppies for a potty, to go potty. So I'll see you in a little bit. Our baby girls. Hola, mi amor. Did you just wake up from a nap? Did you just wake up from a nap? These are my 2 baby girls. Are we gonna go potty? Let's go potty. Yeah? She's too sleepy, guys. Like, she's just ready to go napping again. She's telling you, my baby girls. My baby girls. Let's go. Let's go on a napping. Let's go. Let's go party. This is my other baby girl. Whee. I usually take her to the bathroom literally every hour. And especially if she just woke up from a nap. Babe, there you go. She still have some accidents at home, but you guys, well, it's a process. She's only 9 weeks. Pee. She's 9 weeks. She's 12 years. Let's go, girls. And then I'm just gonna put them. I'm gonna put them in their cage because my oldest one, she goes nuts when we're not home. She has separation anxiety. I have tried to treat it. She has pills, but it just doesn't work. She would just go crazy and destroy everything. So she has her cage, and our youngest one, it's getting potty trained. So obviously she's gonna get trained. She has to get trained. So she's only been in the house, the baby one, for a week. She turned 9 weeks just on Friday. Let's go, girls. And so it's only been a week, and I can tell you that she's been doing really good. Yeah. We potty trained, but we're still working on it a lot. Dixie, go in. So she knows when to go in. She still doesn't like her cage, but she knows that she has to go in there. So for this one, she's still getting, you see this right here. She's still getting trained. I always have one of her toys so she can chew on, and I always give them a treat, 1 or 2, every time I put her inside. And I do have a camera so I can watch her. So I can watch her every time she's in there. And we are headed to ice skating. We're a little bit late, but we'll be fine. Did it drop? We'll be fine. Taking my bottle of water. It goes with me everywhere. I try to drink 3 to 4 or more bottles a day. I'll see you guys. Well, that was a short.
Ice cream.
We literally skated for 45 minutes because Miss Mia does not want to skate.
Well, I want to go dance academy back. I love dance.
I mean, it is. I kind of want to go on the weekdays better than the weekends because there are so many people. But honestly, I need to put her back to her classes. It's not the same. I don't know what I know a lot of the things that she should know, but it's not the same. Like, there's so many people will skate super fast, and then she gets scared of falling, and so much going on. But we are going to go and get ice cream. I'm kind of feeling like eating Yogurtland or something like yogurt. Yogurt. And then I'll show you guys what we're getting. I was not planning to get ice cream, but I do feel like eating ice cream today. That's it. Well, we changed plans. We ended up not going to have ice cream right now. We came back home because I talked to one of my friends and we ended up deciding we wanted to go take the kids to eat ice cream later today. So right now we're gonna have puppy time. I'm kind of playing with the puppies right now. They went potty. She just went potty again. And I want to show you guys what we do, like kind of exercising. I'm trying to teach her how to grab her toy and then bring it back, and it's just a little bit fun. And we are going to eat some ice cream.
Hold on. I'm okay, and I made a spatula for you, so I can make a spatula. I'll be there.
Guys, I don't know what she's saying. We're meeting up with a friend, her daughter.
I'm scared of nothing.
I don't like this angle, but that's what it is.
I'm in Naruto, and I'm scared of nothing.
I was not planning to eat ice cream, but honestly, truthfully, I do want to eat ice cream. So I'm thinking about ice cream. It's hot. If you guys don't know, I have a second channel, which is Balloonaholic. Over there, I do more things related to my business, which is balloon decorations. So if you haven't followed me there, go ahead and follow me. I will show you this ice cream thing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye guys. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe.
I'm in Naruto.